Welcome. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-24, the slide shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-24, the slide shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Go to File New, Part MMGS. Okay, it's an interesting piece. We're going to go to Right Plane, Sketch. We're going to go to Line. Going to go up, angle there, and angle. They were actually angles for a reason. So we got actually let me just undo that for a moment. I'm going to do something a little bit different. Well, not different, but let me do there. I'm not going to hook to that point yet. The reason for it, there's a center point here. I want that center point. Oops, get a line. Thank you. That center point, this center point, and this one here will be horizontal. There we go. Now I'm going to join that together, that point and that center point as join. There we go. That way, this will be the same angle, proper angle. I'll show you in a minute. So it's going to be 12. That's going to be 12. That's going to be 19. 19, and that's going to be from this point. Don't do this line, actually do the line, but you want it up and down like that. So that's the point from there to there. If you got line lengths, you go on the angle, but we want it straight up and down. That's going to be 22, and that's locked in. Because I've got this point horizontal, this angle here and this angle is going to be the same, so that's center. Alright, so that's going to be feature, extrude, 136. That's going to be mid-plane. Does it say what it is? Looks like my steel. And okay. So, do that one. There we go. Alright, so we can pull you out. Pull you out, thank you. Now we need to do some cutting. So we're going to do top plane, normal 2, definitely do normal 2 this time, and sketch. Now we want to go from there, down, across, up, across, down, across, down a little bit, across. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, hold on. Let me delete that one. Oh, if I press delete. And that one will be horizontal. There we go. And we're going to bring this line from there to there. That should be closed in. Why is that not showing us? Defined. I will work it like closed in it. Maybe because it's halfway through, it might be. So that's fine. So we want now. We want. What do we want? So this point here, and this point here, all the line actually works. Line. Sometimes you just grab the line. That's going to be 3.5. This line here is going to be 3. This one here, what happened? There we go. It's going to be 12. Okay, so this one here is going to be 9. This line here will be C5. Go measurement. Let me bring that back that way. Otherwise, measure it's going to be the wrong direction. Go back to smart dimension, and that's going to be 12 again. And that should, oh, so this point and this point is going to be horizontal. There you go. It's fully defined. Now let's go to center line. This is one of the reasons why it's good to use this midpoint. I was thinking that I've done this, but that's one good reason why you use center point most times. Mid-plane, sorry, mid-plane when you extrude. Okay, so we want to go to mirror. We want to do all these lines. There we go. Fully defined, which is good. It's going to mirror on this one. Looking good, yep. Let's confirm. Yeah, that's looking good. All right, so we're going to go features. Oh, I'll click the OK mirror the feature. Yeah, helps. Extrude. We want through all, both directions. Okay. That looks good. Now, let's just double check something. Evaluate, measure. That should be 11 millimeters. 11 millimeters. Perfect. That's what we want. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me go to that one, see how it looks. Oh, always go the wrong way. Oop. Oh no, shadow looks. Oh, lost my cursor. Actually, that looks good. Hello, thank you. Zoom in a bit more, there we go. That's that piece done. Well, it's so interesting, like the angle and that. It wasn't a hard piece, it was actually quite easy. Anyway, that's part 6-24. The slide shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.